What we do here is go back.
Oh, it says welcome. Yay! We is here at the Gun and Knife Show in Fort Wayne at the Coliseum. We don't know what we're doing. Merry Christmas. So turns out we can't actually use any of the footage from in there. So yeah, that happened.
But I bought a fucking katana, so it's okay.
It's kind of okay.
Fantastic.
That's what you say.
Right? Like, we go to other countries, it's questionable whether the civilians are like just civilians or whether they're actually Taliban. Here, you have to kill everyone in the entire country because everyone has a gun that's pointed towards your face if you're trying to invade America. Merry Christmas.
They're showing you cool gun and knife stuff. We're going to the mall, like we do twice a week anyway. Yeah. Oh, brother. I was wondering if we'd catch you on one of your days. One of like what, 2? Yeah, I'm seriously recording. Ready? Yeah. What are we doing? What are we doing? Like Chick-fil-A? Chick-fil-A? Oh, also, did you notice the,
Blowjobs. Blowjobs. Great, you want a job?
Not necessarily. Also, sports store. Tupperware. Yeah? Yeah, sure.
Where can I see that video?
On YouTube
channel or something?
Yeah.
What is
It's called tactical_Pikachu.
Dude, that's a long ass name. How am I supposed to memorize that shit? You said what? Long ass what?
Tactical_Pikachu.
Tactical. Hi, miss. Want to try some? Tactical_Pikachu.
Not. It's just the underscore like the symbol.
Oh. Okay, so tactical Pikachu.
Yeah, pretty much.
Tactical Pikachu.
Yep.
Yeah, man. I'm gonna Google that.
All right. So now we're walking back to the car, and we're going to Fazoli's.
After our very eventful time in the mall.
Yeah, the mall was awesome. We ran into AJ, we met some cool random dude, and BJ's. But we got hired by BJ. Also, I don't know where we parked the car.
I'd like the chicken carbonara and 2 waters. Dining in, yep.
It's fantastic. And more breadsticks.
I'll be right back.
What? It's going to.
Is it wrong that I'm still hungry? Maybe a little bit. It might be a little bit wrong that you're still hungry.
Just a little?
Just a little.
Okay, let's go to Taco Bell.
Well guys, that's all the video that I had for today. Unfortunately, the gun show didn't pan out, but I still got some great footage, I think. Plus, I had a ton of fun cutting this video. If you like this video and want to see more vlogs in the future, hit that subscribe button right beneath me. One of the guys in the video also has a YouTube channel, so I will link his channel in the description. One other thing before I go, I will be attending Red Dot 7, hosted by MIR Tactical, at Challenge Extreme Park in Illinois on Sunday. So I hope to see some of you there. I want to thank you guys a ton for watching, and I'll catch you next time.